Have you ever wanted to capture the video from your camera using your phone? Now I know there are some apps out there that let you tether your camera to your phone and control it that way, but if you have a Samsung smart camera that's Wi-Fi capable and the Remote Viewfinder app, you can actually do it without wires. I'm going to take a look at that now.
Alright, depending on which Samsung camera you have, you're going to turn the dial to Wi-Fi. Once you switch over to Wi-Fi mode, you're going to get this option, select Remote Viewfinder, and it's automatically going to trigger a connection that you can make with your phone. Alright, so then I go to the Remote Viewfinder app in the phone, and the two are going to seek each other out. In the event that you can't connect to it, you have some problems the first time, what you want to do is go into settings and then switch your Wi-Fi. Instead of your current Wi-Fi mode, you're going to search for the Samsung version. And as you can see now, I've got a live view of my viewfinder. So let me put this down real quick. Alright, now I've got a live view of what my camera sees. So when I move the camera around, you notice that the phone is following right along with it. It's not as fluid, or it's not crystal clear, but hey, it moves very nice, and for the purpose of what we're doing, it gets everything down pat. To zoom in or out, all I have to do is press the plus button, but you'll notice when I do, it says zoom already in use. There's a tiny bit of lag when it doesn't respond as quickly as it should, so zooming full ranges or trying to zoom out really quickly might sometimes be a problem for you. You can't hold down either, but hey, I guess that's just one of the pitfalls of what we have to deal with. As far as other things you can control, you can turn the flash on or off or set it to auto. Okay, you can do a self timer for 2 seconds or 10 seconds, and you can change the picture size. So instead of doing 12 megapixels, I can go down to 2 megapixels. Alright, and then to take a picture, I just snap a button and you see it took a picture. Let me give you another look at it right here. Put the camera right there. Okay, pretty cool, huh? It's called Remote Viewfinder. So just how remote can you get? I put the camera on the Android on the other side of the room, so I'm going to zoom in now. Okay, you see it moves. I'll take a picture. You might not have heard the shutter speed, but as you can see from the screen, it is saving. As far as distance goes, you have to be within close range. It's not going to work long range. I was able to get about 40 feet, to give or take. For those of you not on the Imperial system, it's going to be about 12 meters, I think. So try it out. As long as you're within a reasonable amount of distance, you should be able to continue to use the Remote Viewfinder. Otherwise, you're going to fall out of range and the connection will drop. Now, as far as practicality goes, this might be good for family portraits or self-portraits. You're not going to be using this every day. But, the rare times you do use this, it's a pretty cool feature to have. And it's available on Samsung smart cameras and Android 2 something or higher. Check the comments below, follow the link to the full review of how to use this, and you'll see the exact details. But like I said, it's pretty simple, pretty limited, but pretty cool at the same time. This is Andrew from EnjoyingIt.com. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, feel free to subscribe.
We just went Goloso. Left me here just raising.